How to log in Netflix on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and just make sure that your Netflix application on your device is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store and on the search bar you can just type in Netflix. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Netflix on my device. So it will look something like this on the home screen. So here is the home screen that you'll be landing on as soon as you tap on your Netflix application. So here at the top you'll be able to see the option of privacy and login. So just tap on login, and here you can use your email or phone number and password, or you can also use a sign-in code. So here I'm just gonna go for my email and the password and then tap on sign in. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.